Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mud blocks in Minecraft. Obtaining these versatile blocks is quite straightforward, and there's one specific method you'll need to follow. We'll go through each step, from gathering your basic materials to the final crafting process. This guide will ensure you can easily add mud blocks to your building palette, opening up new creative possibilities for your structures and designs. First, let's gather the necessary items. You'll need dirt blocks, which are abundant and easily found almost anywhere in your Minecraft world. For every mud block you wish to create, you will need one dirt block. Next, you'll need water bottles. Craft an empty glass bottle, then simply right-click on any water source, such as a lake, river, or even a placed water block to fill it up. Now for the crafting itself. With a dirt block in your main hand and a water bottle in your offhand, simply right-click or use the designated Use Item button. You'll see the dirt block transform into a mud block instantly. Remember, this process consumes both the dirt block and the water bottle, so make sure you have enough of each for the quantity of mud blocks you intend to create. Once you have your mud blocks, the creative possibilities are vast. They offer a unique texture for building and can be used in many different structures. Beyond their basic form, mud blocks can be crafted into packed mud. Simply place 4 mud blocks in a 2x2 square in your crafting grid to get one packed mud block. From there, packed mud can be further refined into mud bricks, providing even more building variety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.